So guys, welcome back to this channel. If you are new and you've not subscribed, make sure you click on this make sure you click on the like button, subscribe, and also make your comments a lot to watch out for it. So we would want to take a look at our silver for this week, right? We want to know where this price will be moving for this week. So before we actually get started, I want us to actually start from the full time frame, higher time frame by the way. So we would start from the monthly time frame downward. So for the monthly time frame, you can see the trend. This is actually on a bearish move, right? So I would be adding 10 period moving average, right? So we all know the rules of trading this moving average is that once price is above our 10 period moving average, it is a buy, we have to go long. But if it is below it, it is a sell, we have to short it. So you can see for some times this price has been above our 10 period moving average. This is one of the reasons why we've been going long. And now price has now broken below our 10 period moving average, and price is now below our 10 period moving average. This is why we are now on a bearish move. So if you take a look at this movement, this is kind of like a bullish move, which is kind of like a pullback, right? You can consider as a pullback. So this silver to our USD is kind of giving us like a bullish move. So because we want to know where this price will be moving for this week, right? We will go down to this weekly time frame. So we will take a look at it, right? So if you notice this movement here, you see that we are on a bullish move. We can take a look at this impulse move, higher highs. Here is a correction, right? We saw the correction here. The correction failed to break this level. A pullback failed to break this level, right? Then a new ice was made, formed here, which broke this previous ice. Still a sign of an uptrend move. A pullback was made. Guess what? The pullback failed to break this lows. And guess what? A new ice has been made that broke this ice, which is the previous ice, meaning a new ice has been made. Now we are on a pullback level. Once the pullback level is over, we will continue our bullish move. So this is one of the reasons why the week that just passed, we kind of close bearish, right? So this week we expect to actually open and close bullish this week. So we still expect it. Secondly, is that this price is above our 10 period moving average on the weekly time frame. Since the price is above the moving average, then it is a buy. We have to go long, right? So if you have to take this trade, I would want us to actually wait for the pullback to be over. Once the pullback is over, then we can now enter to go long on this silver. So silver, the pullback is forming. Once the pullback has been formed finished, when the pullback has formed finished, then you can now enter to go long for the week on silver. That should take us to the daily time frame, right? So you see this daily time frame, you can see this trend, right? This is an uptrend move. Price is giving us a bullish move. So you can take a look at this movement and this is a pullback. So is this pullback over? Well, I want us to actually see if it is over because this is a retracement, right? We would want to know if it is over. So we need to predict if it is over. We would use this Fibonacci. Let's see what this Fibonacci says. We saw that this Fibonacci dropped to our 23.6 percentage, right? We saw price was reacted here. Price came to this 23.6 percentage. Guess what? It broke below it. Now the next level will be seeing this Fibonacci drop to is this 38.2. So watch out for 38.2, right? We would want to see price drop to 38.2 before we possibly might get a bullish move. And if possible price drops further down, then I can tell you the maximum where it will get to it will be 50. The reason is that we know that once price reacted to a level previously and price gets to that same level, price will definitely react to that same level again. So this is why I said since price has reacted to this level, right? And price has reacted to this level, right? This level it has reacted to previously is 50 percentage, right? So if price can drop to this level of 50 percentage, we might have a bullish move. So just watch out for it. There are two levels where price will give us that bullish move. One at a level of 38.2. Once price gets to 38.2, we're very much likely to have a bullish move. Or it will drop to a level of 50 before we have a bullish move. So just watch out for it. A level of 32.2, 38.2, sorry, or a level of 50 before we start having that bullish move on this our silver for the week. And the 4 hour time frame we want to place this trade is showing a bearish move. So because we would want to go long, we would have to wait for the bearish move to be over, the pullback or this bearish move to be over on 4 hour time frame. Once it is over, then we can now go long on this 4 hour time frame. So a little bit of drop should be made though, which I'm still expecting to be made. We should be able to take out this lows, which is a level of 20.464. Once price can come to this level, then see that spike up, and if possible price breaks continues to drop, then at least a level of this level we should need to see price reject to, which is a level of 18. we should be able to see price drop to this level of 18 before it continues our bullish move. Above all, this week we will be expecting a bullish move on our silver. But first of all, a pullback needs to be made. A pullback needs to be over, which is bearish. Then we will continue our bullish move.